Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I have this a4tech wireless plus Bluetooth mouse, and there are three reasons for showing this mouse. Number one is the Bluetooth option along with the wireless, and which makes it super easy to use and highly compatible with all kinds of devices. You can use this thing like with pretty much all types of devices, the Android phones, the iPhones, the iPads, the laptops, the PCs, and every kind of device which supports mouse and Bluetooth. And then number second is the design. This is super comfortable design, and it's fit like for all kinds of hands and every kind of work, like editing, drawing, and using with the iPads, the PC, the laptops, and pretty much every type of work. I don't know about the gaming, and I don't think so this is made for gaming, but this design is very comfortable and it fits very good in the hand, and you can use it like for hours without any problem. And then number three is the price. I got this thing for like $10, and which is very cheap compared to the other Bluetooth or wireless mouses or mice. Okay, so let's have a look at the mouse, and on the back as you can see there are these specifications, and it supports like all kinds of Bluetooth devices from Bluetooth 3.0 to 5.0, which is very fast. And there are two or three kinds of this fstyler mouse. I have this FB35, and there are some differences of specs in them and definitely the price as well. So let's open this package, and here we get this dry cell with the mouse. Of course this mouse uses the dry cell to operate, and not an environmental friendly idea, but at least they are giving this cell with the mouse and not selling separately and say that they are reducing the e-waste. So this is the cell which will be used in the mouse. And then we get this paper for instructions, and there are these instructions on it. And of course this mouse is a little bit difficult to operate, especially the Bluetooth connectivity is a little hard for some devices. And then we get the actual mouse, and so the design is very comfortable. And let's have a look. Okay, on the back, removing this cover, we get the cell compartment and the USB-A receiver or the antenna for the wireless connection. And this is an old type of wireless connection. We need more wireless connectivity like Bluetooth, which this mouse has. And we get power on off button on the right, and on the left the Bluetooth button. And these clicks are like very soft and very comfortable, and I just like the comfortable design overall. So this is the a4tech Bluetooth wireless mouse, and you can have a close look of the design. And the mouse pad which I use with this mouse is this Logitech mouse pad, and this is kind of made of rubber and fabric on the top, and it's a soft smooth fabric, and it's very good for every kind of mouse, and there is a very little resistance, and it sits on the surface very good and doesn't move here and there when you move your hand. So this is very good. So that's pretty much it about this mouse, and I will be connecting this mouse with different devices in another video, and stay tuned for that. And thank you so much guys for watching. Please be sure to subscribe and hit that like. I will see you in the next one.